At Ride Ventures, we build trails all over the world to bring mountain biking adventures to the people. We eliminate the worries of planning by organizing all the travel plans, from the food to the transportation to the lodging, so people can spend their time enjoying a great adventure. All customers have to do is find which of our mountain biking travel packages they like and book it. Pack a bag and go. They don't even have to bring a bike, we take care of everything. There's a package for everyone: singles, beginners, couples, even expert riders. People can either go ride the trails by themselves, or we have plenty of expert guides available depending on what people prefer. And there's a destination for everyone as well, from China to South Africa, Peru, Norway, Death Valley. And now we're proud to say that we've covered all continents, including Australasia. Our newest trail is in New Zealand, and it spans both the North and South Islands. Takes you through exotic rainforests to crystal clear waters of the Fiordlands. We build the trails and plan all the travels, giving people who love to travel and love to mountain bike a chance to do it all without the hassle. All our trails are meticulously maintained to be ready for riders at all times. This ensures a safe and fun adventure for everyone. Our trips and trails are part of a larger system that is a result of careful research and diligent planning and collaboration. Planning, after all, is ultimately about the big picture, and that picture includes not only the trails and destinations, but the entire experience. And that's priceless.